Well, hello, my joyful zebbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you another DIY. So if DIY is on a budget is what you're looking for, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So while I sit in the parking lot of CarMax, I am going to do this voiceover. So what you see me doing is taking one of the wood rounds that you can find at the Dollar Tree, and I am going to paint the top portion of it white, and then you see me drawing some lines. And if you are a regular on my channel, you already know these lines are more than likely not straight, but that's okay. You just ignore those lines and just keep watching. You can make them straight when you recreate this. And so as you can see, I am taking now some of that acrylic white paint that I purchased from Guardian Angel thrift store and applying it, because for some reason the chalk paint that I was using, I don't know if it was old, but it did not come out white like I wanted it to. And then you see me taking and now drawing, actually using my masking tape to try to make my lines straighter. It didn't help, for real, guys. But nevertheless, we're going to move right along with this project. And this is going to be a two-sided wall hanging decor piece. And as you can see, I flipped it, put the tape in the middle, and I am painting, or painted the bottom half in that Waverly brand chalk paint in the color ink. And by the time I thought about it, guys, I didn't want to give it a dark coat, so I ended up having to use the baby wipes to lighten it up and give it more of a stained look. And now, as you can see, I did use the masking tape to paint that middle section of this piece in that Waverly brand chalk paint in the color ink to give this a three-toned appearance. And I am just cleaning up those lines and making sure that everything is nice and dry, because what we're going to be doing is creating a word sign. That's right, we're going to make this a wall hanging decor piece that has inspirational words on it, or feeling words. And so what you see me doing is using, initially I was going to use these poster board stickers, but then I didn't like that, and then I was going to use that change begins here, didn't like that, so I just opted for the bold black poster board stickers. And you see me with creating the word carpe diem. I think that's how you pronounce it. It is a Latin phrase for seize the moment or seize the day. And I'm just trying to get them as straight as possible. And it was getting late this day, and I said, well, let me go ahead and put this up on the channel. You will see me talk about this in part 2 of the vlog. And if you are here with me for the first time, my name is Joy Fuller. I am the chief crafter, so welcome to all of my new subscribers as well as my returning subscribers. And so, guys, you see me just adding some of those beautiful butterfly stickers that you can find at the Dollar Tree, and I am just putting them in different places that was appealing to my eye. I added some jute twine rope to the what you call them, the wings of the butterfly. And then on the back side of the sign, or the front side, it's up to you, I used the poster board stickers to create the word smile. That is one of the phrases that one of my best male friends used to tell me all the time: smile, it increases your face value. So I'm always smiling. Now you see me taking, and I am outlining this wood round to give this a little more character with some of that jute rope, and I am going to apply it on both sides of the sign just to, like I said, keep everything consistent and uniform. And once I burn the phrase off of it, I will create a hanging or a hanger using the remaining of the jute rope, and I will burn the phrase off that. And guys, I want to say, if you have yet to subscribe to the channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button and don't forget about the notification bell. Guys, here is the project. This was a fast DIY, very simple. You can recreate this, and this is just a wall hanger decor piece that just hopefully gives you some inspiration to put in maybe your office or in a classroom or something like that. But nevertheless, guys, thank you for tuning in to this project tonight, and I pray that the rest of your weekend is blessed, and bye for now.